Claiborne Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation 1807 Zulu. Weather. Wind 140 at 7. Visibility more than 10. Sky condition clear below 12,000. Temperature 33 Celsius. 2.11 Celsius. Altimeter 2999. Remarks. Density altitude 3,000.
Clifton traffic, RV254 Alpha Papa is entering a left downwind, runway 14 Clifton. Hey Rich, what you been doing?
Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor taking the active 15, departing 15, remain in the pattern, Cleburne.
Inside American 2042.
Check final clear.
Push proposed 13 right, American 2042.
Center line, 15.
34.5, good day.
Flight timer, altitude reporting, advance the throttle.
Set fractions again for American 2042. I'll try it again.
November 9 Golf, start V4 descent down to 3,500, cleared into Bravo.
Okay, cleared into Bravo, leaving 75 for 35, 9 Golf.
A326.6. Move 2996.
Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, right crosswind 15, Cleburne. Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, right downwind 15, Cleburne.
Landing 9 Golf, contact approach 125.2, we'll see you.
25-2, see you later.
Approach 121 Lima Alpha.
On the Alpha, go ahead.
We have the field inside.
On the Alpha, thanks. Cleared visual approach into Decatur. Advise cancellation. I fire the circuit. Air call us on the ground after landing.
Okay, you can cancel now for 121 Lima Alpha.
121 Lima Alpha, thanks. And there's no traffic observed between you and Decatur. You can score 1200 frequency approved. Have a good night.
Thanks for the help. So long.
Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, right base 15, full stop, Cleburne.
Very good. Remarks. Density altitude 2,900. Claiborne Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation 1817 Zulu. Weather. Wind 100 at 6. Visibility.
Eagle 3225, I'd love to be your controller, but try 126.47.
And Decatur minutes 121 Lima Alpha. It is about 4 miles to the southwest, landing Decatur.
Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, final 15, full stop, Cleburne.
And Decatur traffic, 121 Lima Alpha is on a downwind for runway 17, Decatur.
Approach 307 Echo Mike at 6,000. We're on a heading at 290 now, still looking for traffic. I believe it was a glider we were told about. Understood. No problem.
Cleveland traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, clear of the active on Delta.
Weather. Wind 130 at 8. Visibility more than 10. Sky condition clear below 12,000. Temperature 33 Celsius. 2.12 Celsius. Altimeter 2,999. Remarks. Wind direction variable between 090 and 150. Density altitude 3,000.
Cleveland traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, taking the active 15, departing 15, remain in the pattern, Cleveland.
I've got him inside. Looks like a glider. No factor here. Yeah, I've got a good visual on that. It is a glider.
Julie Kilo, contact Waco approach 127.65.
Cleveland traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, right crosswind 15, Cleveland. Cleveland traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, right downwind 15, Cleveland.
Cleveland traffic, 63181.
Cleveland traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, right base 15, full stop, Cleveland.
Outbound traffic, 3 Alpha, right down. Left. Cleveland traffic, 63181, right down, runway 15, Cleveland.
And Stevensville traffic, Cessna 5076 Romeo is on the climb out, right turn out west departure, Stevensville traffic.
Cleveland traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, final 15, full stop, Cleveland.
Cleveland traffic, Piper 22 Fox, holding short, runway 15, Cleveland. Cleveland traffic, 63181, right base, runway 15, Cleveland. And Cleveland traffic, Piper 22 Foxtrot is holding short at 15, Cleveland. Cleveland traffic, 63181, turning final, runway 15, Cleveland.
Cleveland traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, taking the active 15, remain in the pattern, departing 15, Cleveland.
Cleburne traffic, 22 Fox departing the pattern to the east. Cleburne.
Cleveland traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, right, crosswind 15, Cleveland. Cleveland traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, right, crosswind 15, Cleveland. Cleveland traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, right base 15, full stop, Cleveland.
Stephenville, Bonanza 682, turn left crosswind, Stephenville. Cleveland traffic, Cessna 63181, left turn out, north departure, Cleveland.
Cleveland traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, final 15, full stop, Cleveland. Cleveland traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, clear of the active on Golf, Cleveland.